Asteroid warning: why scientist fears NASA won't spot rogue Earth-bound rock. NASA is unable to spot every rock in space, including a rogue asteroid that could threaten life on Earth, a scientist warned during a book last year. Asteroids are the small rocky bodies in the inner solar system orbiting the Sun. There are millions of them flying around space, and their collisions, known as impact events, have played a significant role in shaping many planets. NASA is constantly watching the cosmos, categorizing any near-Earth objects, NEOs, as potentially hazardous objects, PHO, if they could pose a threat to life on Earth. However, Dr. Natalie Starkey warned during her 2018 book Catching Stardust that a surprise space rock could catch the space agency off guard. She wrote last year, "We have to remember that we aren't totally safe, as there are always those rogue objects out there that could sneak up on us. Of course, we can't study every single object in space, there are just too many of them, but the more we find out about the ones we can see and approach with the spacecraft, the better prepared we will be to deal with the others, even those we've not seen up close before. We can even be well placed to deal with objects that give us very little warning of their arrival on our planet." Over the next few decades, we have the opportunity to build up a detailed knowledge of space objects in our neighborhood, and even ones that are still very far from us. We can view them remotely with the ground and space-based telescopes, and we have the chance to visit some of them with the spacecraft to build on these findings, providing the finer details of their composition and structure. Dr. Starkey went on to give a warning over NASA's current limitations. She added, "In the future, as technological developments are made, ground-based observations might be all we need to learn everything about an object in space, even when it is a great distance away. Current telescope technology can't spot everything, and we need the ability to cross-reference telescope data with spacecraft observation and sampling to provide the ground truth. Certainly, for the time being, we need spacecraft, and eventually humans to go up there and explore the space around us in the hope that one day we can save ourselves from an impending impact. In the meantime, we can learn about where we came from, how we got here, and whether we are really alone in the vastness of stars, planets, and the active vacuum of space that surrounds our tiny planet." Asteroid 101,955 Bennu, formerly known as 1999 RQ-36, is a potentially hazardous object listed on the Century Risk Table with the second highest cumulative rating on the Thermotechnical Impact Hazard Scale. Investigators have already warned the space agency that it could be devastating if they do not act. According to a study by scientist Maria Eugenia Sansaccio, the 1999 asteroid may impact the Earth. Dr. Sansaccio warned in a report for the solar system journal Icarus that there is a good chance of the asteroid striking. She told Universe Today in 2010, "The total impact probability of asteroid 1999 RQ-36 can be estimated as 0.00092, approximately 1 in 1,000 chance, but what is most surprising is that over half of this chance, 0.00054, corresponds to 2,182. However, NASA has a less destructive move for Bennu. The space agency is currently running a mission with its OSIRIS-REx spacecraft to find out more about the rock. The spacecraft spent 2 years chasing Bennu down, before orbiting it for another 2 years and taking samples. Then, in 2023, it will blast back to Earth to allow scientists from around the world to study it. The mission team is particularly interested in learning the role that asteroids like Bennu, dark, primitive, and apparently carbon-rich, may have played in creating life on Earth. It will also help scientists to refine the odds of a strike on Earth. Hey guys, I need your help. Please subscribe this channel. I will always grateful for your kindness. Have a great time ahead.